Good morning, students. Welcome to the physics lab. Today we are going to study about the screw gauge. So what is the meaning of this screw gauge? So if you want to find out a thickness of a glass plate, diameter of a wire, or diameter of the lead shards, so we are using a one device termed as an screw gauge. So here we have the simple diagram of the screw gauge. You please observe this diagram. So here we have it consists of the U-shaped the frame. So the many screw gauges are here. So it consisting of the U-shaped frame. So here we have U-shaped frame, and this is what we termed as a stud. Here we have a screw. This is the main scale of this, so you can able to see this one here and here. So this is the main scale of this, and here we have the circular scale, and we have here ratchet. So this is termed as the base line of the screw gauge, where we recover to take the readings here. So these are the parts of the screw gauge. Now you please see, this is the instrument called screw gauge. So here we have a U frame. This is the U frame. This is termed as a stud. If you rotate by holding the ratchet, okay, this is termed as a screw. So you can able to see here is the base line. You please see, this is the base line. Okay, this is termed as a pitch scale or the main scale. So on this we can able to turn this one. So this is termed as the circular scale. You please see, on rotating like this, okay, you can able to listen one sound. This is called as a rattling sound. After getting this rattling sound, don't turn this further. Okay, just end your rotation. If you rotate this one, so you will get a error. So you know that every instrument is having a the least count. Okay. So here we have to find out about the least count of the screw gauge. So here 1 LSD. Okay. So here is a linear scale division. So turn like this, which is the linear scale here. The linear scale is here. You please observe. So this is the linear scale. On this particular linear scale, we have linear scale division is equal to 1 millimeter. So you please see, from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 millimeter. Okay. Then it is goes on. Okay. 1 millimeter. 1. So here we have 1 centimeter. This is divided into the how many parts here? 10 parts. So you please see, first part, second part, third, fourth, fifth. There is a 5 is there here. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You please observe, the 10 division is there. So each division is nothing but 1 millimeter. Number of full rotation I have to give. Let us give a 5 rotation or 4 rotation. I am giving a 4 rotation. Okay, here is a 0 of the circular scale. You might have seen this one, 0 of this first circular scale. Now it is a coincide with the 4 here. Okay, it is 5 now. So I will make it as a 4. Full rotation I will give. Okay, full rotation means once again you will get a 0 of like this. Okay. Number of rotations, number of full rotation I will give 4. So let us give 4 rotation. 1, 2, full rotation. Okay. 3, okay, then 4. Okay, so you will get the sound here. Okay, the full rotation I had given. Number of full rotation is equal to what here? 4. Distance moved by the screw is how much? 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter it is moved. Whether you can rotate in this manner, so 1, 2, okay, 3, 4. Okay, in a reverse order. So 4 millimeter it is moved. So therefore 4 millimeter divided by 4 is equal to what here? 1 millimeter. So therefore the pitch of the screw is equal to 1 millimeter, or we can say 0.1 centimeter. Millimeter is just converted into what here? Centimeter. Okay. Now the number of divisions on circular scale. CS means what here? Circular scale. Please observe how many divisions are there here. So please observe here is a 0. Okay. Please observe here is a 0. Okay. Then here is a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. After this 90, once again here is a 10 is there. So therefore 100. So total divisions are equal to what here? 100. Then the least count can be measured. Pitch divided by what is the number of division. Pitch is equal to 0.1 centimeter or 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter divided by 100 is equal to 0.01 millimeter, or we can say 0.001 centimeter. You just divide this one. So you please take this one. Okay, 0.1 divided by what is that? 100. You will get what? 0.001 centimeter. Okay. Millimeter is converted to the centimeter. That's all here. Okay. So each and every the instrument is having a error in it. Okay. Let us go for a 0 error. If the 0 of the main scale, this is the pitch scale here. So this is the circular scale here. Both are coincided, then there is a no 0 error. 0 error is what I can able to say nil. Nil is the 0 error. There is nothing in it. But the 0 is upper side here. Then the what here? This 0 of the what? The main scale or pitch scale. So therefore this is termed as a negative. We have to turn this screw in this direction. It means negative direction. This means the positive direction. So you can see if a 0 is below this the main scale, this is baseline, then we can call it as what here? The positive error. So let us consider in our what? In our screw gauge. Okay, turn this one. Okay, turn it. Just turn like this. Okay. Now you just see. Okay, turn completely. You will get a what? Sound. You please see here 0 baseline. This is the baseline here. This is coincided with the what? The 0. Then there is a no error for this. There is a no error for this. So therefore the error is equal to what here? 0, 0, 0. Then you take the mean value of this. That is nothing but a what here? Nil. Okay. Now let us pass on to how to calculate the diameter of what? Diameter of the lead shots. Okay, where is the lead shot then? So here we have the one lead shot. Please see, this is the lead shot. Okay, it is moving. So here we have one lead shot. I want to find out the diameter of this lead shot. Okay, just take the screw gauge. Okay, here we have. Then open like this. Okay, then keep in between the water, the stud and also the screw. Then close it. It is just fixed like. Understood? Okay. Now you please take the reading of this. So you will get the reading is 5. So here is the main scale reading is what here? The pitch scale reading is the first reading I am taking, second reading I am taking, and also the third reading I am taking. So what is the pitch of this? 5. I will just write 5. Okay. Now the number of coincided division, where it is coincided, just observe 20, 21, 22. 22 it is, here is a 20, please see. Here there are small lines are there, it is 22. 22 here. So therefore mention it as what here? 22. What is the least count of this? Least count, you already know that. Okay, here is an n, small n, 22 into, I want in millimeter. So what is the least count here? So take this sheet. Okay, please see the least count. Where is the least count? So here we have the least count is equal to 0.01 millimeter. So therefore that you take, okay, 0.01 millimeter. Then what is an observed reading here? N plus n. Okay, so n is here. Okay, this one is considered as n. So just I will write this one is n. Okay, n plus of this n. So on multiplying these two things, what you will get? 0.22 you will get. So therefore, so conclusion is what here? 5 plus this becomes what here? 0.22. On adding these two things, what you will get? The corrected reading is 5.22. This is millimeter. If you convert this into the centimeter, what you will get? 0.522 you will get in centimeters. Okay, I want in millimeter. 5 millimeter, 5.22 millimeters. 5 is already there, 5.22 millimeter. This is how you can able to calculate. Then once again you just go through it. Once again turn this one. Okay, I am turning this one and then measure. Okay, now it is 5. Of course the pitch scale reading is never changes. Now it is 24 you will get. So therefore 24. Calculate this one. 24 into 0.01, therefore 5 plus 0.24, that is equal to 5.24 millimeter. Okay, very simple. Now next one is turn once again somewhere else. Okay, then tight it. Okay, then you find out 5 is the, of course the 5 will never changes. 5 is as it is. Now you see here is how much? 23 maybe, 23. Okay, 23. So therefore 23 into 0.01. So therefore what you will get? So you will get 5 plus, excuse me, 1 minute here. Yes, you will get it. 5 plus 0.23. So therefore 5.23 millimeter. You can convert this into a centimeter also. Okay. So I will give you, this is the calculation we have. I will give you the some only the readings. Okay. Now let us consider a wire. Okay. Here we have a wire. I want to find out the diameter of this wire. So just hold like this and then tight it. Okay. Now what we will getting is 0. Almost here is a 0. Okay, 0.0. Okay, just you write the first reading, second reading, third reading. Okay, it is equal to 0. Or 0 you just write. Okay, 0. Okay, now so what is the reading here? Next you will get what? Here we get 10, 15. So here we will get what? So I think it is 1. Okay, I think it is 1. So it is not 0. It is equal to what here? 1 millimeter. Okay, 1. So then now, so how much it is? 15. So just you take 15. Then you calculate. Then I will give another reading. Just I will put this one here. Okay. Then you take the reading. So is 1. Here is most probably 14. Okay. 1, 14. Okay. Next one. So next I will take. So somewhere here. Okay, it maybe it is 15 here, 16 maybe. Okay, it is 16, so therefore 1, this may be 16. Then you just calculate this. So you already know the least count 0.01, then you calculate and convert it into centimeter. Okay, so this is how we can able to find out the glass plate. Let us consider here is the glass plate. Here we have a glass plate. This is the glass. I have taken the mirror. Okay, mirror. So I want to know about the thickness of this particular mirror. So where we have to keep the thickness? So here, then take the one edge and then keep like this. Okay, then what is the thickness? So here is a 0.1. It means that 1 millimeter. So 1 millimeter, and here is an 84 you will get. Okay, 84. Please see. So here is here we got 1. So here we got 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. Here it is. So 184. Just you write 1. So here we get the 84. So in another way, so remove this part and put it somewhere here. Okay. Okay. Here. So it is 1. So here we got. So once again, 1 we got. So here we have, so there is 83 we got, 183. Okay, next one is here I will go once again. 3 readings you have to take. Okay, next, just a minute. Yeah, yes. So 183. Okay, so therefore I will write all these things. 183, another one is also 183. Okay, so let us consider for the lamina of this. So in the same manner I will consider what the lamina. This is the lamina I have. This is the regular lamina. In your book it is mentioned as the irregular lamina also. So we can able to find out the irregular lamina also. Okay, so here we have, so just hold like this. Okay, then you can find the lamina also. So here we have 1, here is 0 to what here? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 8 you will get. So therefore the first reading is 1/8 division. Okay, so the second reading I will take somewhere here. Okay, 1, so it is almost here is an 7, 1, 7. Okay, so third reading I will take somewhere. Okay, so this also the 1, so this is also equal to what? 6, maybe it is 6, 1, 6. So these are the readings we had already taken. Please observe all the reading I will tell you. Okay, so for wire, for a glass plate, and for water, the lamina, thickness of the water lamina. Now you please calculate all these things. Okay, what we have done in the water, the first object like lead shots. Okay, in the same manner you do it for water. So the wire also, and for the glass plate also, and for water the lamina also. Okay, now so we have to find out what is the calculation for this. Just observe the calculation part. Mean diameter of the lead shot. Take the mean value of this, add 3 things and then divided by what? 3. Mean diameter of the wire you find out, and also the length of the wire. Length of the wire, just take one the same wire, okay, same wire, and take the scale. Okay, take the scale and measure this. Okay, keep like this and measure it. So how much you will get? Almost it is 24.5. 24.5. Just to note on this, the length of the wire is 24 point, what is that? 5 centimeter. Okay. Then what is the volume of this wire? Volume of the wire we can be able to find out very easily. The V is equal to pi into D divided by 2. The diameter is already identified. Okay. Diameter is already identified. This is diameter. So let us say D. Okay. D divided by 2 into its what here? Length. The length is here. This is equal to what? The length. Length of it. Just to multiply it and then keep the volume. So just find out this volume. After the finding this volume, okay, just to go for what here? Thickness of the glass plate. You know the thickness of the glass plate. Thickness of the irregular lamina, you know that. Okay. Then area of that lamina, area I will give you, okay, of the lamina. So this is nearly equal to. So take this one and then measure this. Okay. So if keep like this and then measure this one. So it is almost 24.4, 24.4 into what is its breadth? The breadth is like this. Okay. It is almost equal to the 7 centimeter. So therefore into 7. So you will get area of this. After finding the area, so you know that irregular lamina, area, this one. Into what is that? Thickness of this. Thickness of the plate is here. Okay. Please find the thickness of this. And then after finding all these things, please write the what? The results. Diameter of the lead shot, volume of the given wire, the thickness of the given shot, the sheet, and also what is that? The volume of the lamina. Okay. So this is all the experiments. Please do this experiment. Please write and calculate. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you very much.